Hey guys, in this video we will discuss why VN Video Editor is best to create beat sync videos on Android or iOS. What makes it best we will explain in this video. First let me add a music by which I can explain. So I'm going to explain this first music in my list, and once you try to import this, you get the option in the bottom about music beats, and you tap on that, you get this red flag, and you play the music. Wherever you find the beat, you can mark with this red flag. And now I'm marking some random beats to help you understand how to mark the beats. Wherever you find the beat, you tap on this red flag icon and it marks the beat. And the best part of VN Video Editor is that you can also decrease the speed of the music to 0.5x, as if you're working on a music which has very fast beat, that this decreasing speed method will allow you to mark the beats more accurately. And I don't think that this feature is available on any other application on Android. So I think this makes VN the best video editor to create beat sync videos. Now I'm gonna mark some random beats so you guys can understand what I wanted to tell. So when you're done with marking the beats, you can tap on this tick icon, and you can tap on tick icon again to import the music. Now you can see in my timeline there are a lot of beats marked. These are with kind of pink lines or purple lines. Now it's very easy for me to beat sync my video. You can use these beat marks to create a nice beat sync video, but there is another great feature that I really loved in VN Video Editor. If I go back from this project, and when I don't even save it, I go to any other project, and whenever I will try to import the music, there will be already beats marked in that music, because if you mark the beats once in VN Video Editor, whenever you will import that music, it will already have beats marked in it, and you can use that music for your future projects also, which is a very handy feature of VN Video Editor. As if I import that music in this project, you can see the beats I marked in the previous projects are also in this project, as you can see. So this is what makes VN Video Editor a very special editor to create beat sync videos. I know there are not so many visual effects, but at least you can mark the beats in this VN Video Editor, and then you can apply the visual effects from any other editor that offers more visual effects. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon for more VN tutorials, and don't forget to like the video because it matters a lot. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.